Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox another kit for the Diamond Paint Along for August, which is flowers. This is a Diamond Dotz kit, as you can see, but this is my first Diamond Dot squares. So let me get everything out of the box and we'll look and see what comes with it. I'm going to let the canvas relax. In the meantime, they've got instructions here. They've got instructions in English and in French and in German and Italian and Dutch, maybe? So instructions for that. And then this is just other things you can do with diamonds, I think. Yeah, just more instructions, more detailed instructions than the little one. The toolkit is inside with the drills, so let me get those out. So we get a very basic toolkit. We get a bunch of baggies that I won't use. We do get a diamond painting pen and a scrunchie. I like the color. We get 2 plates of wax. It looks like the Diamond Dotz wax. And then we get our diamond painting tray. So a basic kit, but everything that you need in order to finish your painting. We'll look at the drills in a minute. I want to look at the canvas first. And it's small enough that I think you can see everything. So basically it's just this giant hibiscus flower. So I thought this would be a good one for our DP along. I purchased it because I wanted to try out the Diamond Dotz squares. I've done several kits from Diamond Dotz. I did Goofy this year. I did some seahorses a couple years ago that I really loved. I've done some koi fish. I think I've done, I did the eagle. So I've done several Diamond Dotz. Now Diamond Dotz is a little different if you've never done a Diamond Dotz before. They don't use DMC codes. They have their own numbering system. So over here with the symbols, most of their numbers start with 8,000. And then I think their ABs start with 5,000. But they number them in serial numbers starting with A. So A1, A2, A3, etc. Why they do that, I don't know. But that's how they do it. I'm still going to diamond paint by symbol, so that doesn't matter to me. This doesn't come with stickers, but because I only have 29 colors, so I think what I'm going to do is just use some spare stickers that I have laying around, and I'll probably draw the symbol on the stickers, or maybe I'll just use their numbers. I don't know. I'll figure something out. In case you hadn't noticed, I'm not in my regular filming area, so please excuse as everything is not up to its usual par. Hopefully I'll be back in my regular area shortly. Looking at the bottom, you can see the design size, and that means just where we're going to be putting the drills. It might include this area out here, I'm not sure, but 41 by 32. So it may include this little area, but it doesn't include the white because they give you the fabric size, which is the entire canvas, including all of the white, and it is 49 by 40. I've done Diamond Dotz before. Like I said, I've never had a problem with them. The glue's always been sticky, no problems with the drills. I actually think Diamond Dotz has some of the best round drills out there. They are a smidge taller than regular drills from other diamond painting companies, but they're super sparkly and I really like them. But I've never done a square kit before, and lots of you were saying that the square kits were good, but there were also people saying they weren't great and they were kind of gappy. So I thought, well, I'll get one and I'll just try it. This will be a nice break for me while I start working on Little Baker, and I'm still working on my other floral one. The Craftably one I think I'll finish pretty quickly, so I have a feeling I'll be working on Little Baker and I'll need breaks, so I may work on this one in between. So nice and sticky. I don't see any symbols that look like they're going to give me any issues that I'm going to have trouble telling apart. So let me get the drills out. I'll still take some B-roll, even though I managed to get most of it on the screen. I'll take some B-roll so that it's up closer so you can see what the actual symbols on the canvas look like. For now, let's look at the drills. So we've only got 29 colors, but it looks like there's at least one color that I've got multiple bags of. So we've got a red, and then this is actually a different color. This is more like a salmon-y coral color. And then we've got another 2 bags of this red. We've got some kind of light gray, a dark red, and then a darker gray. We've got our black, we've got another red, and then we've got some kind of almost mustardy yellow. In this sleeve, I've got a dark gray, a dark green, and a dark brown. And then I've got a dark blue, like an olive green, and a very dark brown. Then we've got a pink, like a lime green, a yellow, and then we do have an AB, and as you can see, oh, these are both ABs. This one is an AB as well, so a yellow AB and a green AB. You can see this is 5005, this is 5008, so their ABs start with that number. And it looks like those are the only two ABs if I look at the numbers. Then in this sleeve, we've got 3 different shades of green. This one is darker, not that easy to tell apart, honestly. These look like almost the same color to me. We've got like a bubblegum pink and like a watermelon pink. Then we've got a very dark red, like a chocolate brown. There is a very pale yellow, dove gray, and then a very like golden yellow. So those are all the colors for this kit. I think it's going to be pretty. We've got this very big hibiscus that's kind of the center, and then the rest of it, the field of view, everything is all kind of blurred. So this is going to be a lot of just probably confetti. I mean, I'm assuming there's going to be some confetti in here, but I'll get some multi-placing, I think. There's a little bit of confetti in there as well, but I think it'll be some nice multi-placing. So a mix of those. I'm always okay if there's more confetti than multi-placing. That's fine with me. I don't mind that. So like I said, I don't have any stickers. I think what I'm going to do is use some stickers that I have left over from like another DAC kit or something. I haven't been able to locate the stickers that I made. I know I made some and I've got them somewhere, but I can't figure out where I put them. So until I locate them, I'll just use these and I'll figure out if I have enough room. I think what I'll do is I'll write the symbol, and then I'll also write, maybe I'll just put the symbol and I won't worry about the serial number. I'll probably put one or the other though, either their code or the serial number, just in case I get confused about which one is which. Because even with the symbols, we'll see. After I draw the symbols, then I'll figure it out. So I'll probably be kitting this one up pretty soon, so be looking for that. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.